Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurjana Nasari binti Muhammad Nazrul Nizam from BA 2324D. For this assignment, I am the team leader, consists of 4 members. In this video, we are presenting to you our prototype that have been made about e-Convocation application. So we dedicate this video to our course lecturer, Madam Rosita binti Mengen. Without any further ado, let me introduce to you all the group members, starting with
Assalamualaikum, my name is Wanya Iza binti Wan Azman.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Zafira binti Azman.
Assalamualaikum and hello to my beloved lecturer Puan Rosita. My name is Muhammad Izabul Abdul Aziz. My number matric 2018238598 from class BA 2324D.
Before we go more detail about our prototype, let me explain to you a little bit about our scope, problem statement and benefits of this application. Okay, so our scope is to build a new application system specifically for convocation ceremonies process information. The students can just click on the application to get all information without need to go to different places on the website. Next, based on the problem statement like slow loading time, too much clutter in the website and poor user experience are the things that make we want to build and create a new system and application that can ease the users. Lastly, the benefits that we want our users gain are this application can save more time and easy to access. The target users are clearly the students of University Technology Mara all over the country. So, this application are basically been made for the students to access and easily install from the Play Store in their phone and can access anytime and anywhere. Okay, now let's explore our prototype. So basically, the screen that you see now is the loading screen. This loading screen is the first screen that you meet before the other. After students install this application on the Play Store, they have to click on it and the screen will appear. Nothing much in here because it is just the beginning. Second, you will see the login screen, which is the main part that the students need to face before using the services of this application. So the student need to fill their student's ID and also a password, which is the identification number, then click the sign in button. Let me show you. This alert dialog will appear to remind the students about fines, compound or academic fees that did not settle yet. Next, just click OK and it will bring the users to the interface menus or main menus of our application.
I will explain about interface menu that have an e-Convocation system. First of all, interface. Interface is a method by which users interact with an information system. There have 5 methods of interacting. First, command line includes keyboard shortcuts and function keys. Second, menu, and third, form, and fourth, object-based, and the last one is natural language. Menu interaction is a method in which a list of system options is provided and a specific command is invoked by user selection of a menu option. In e-Convocation system, we have used object-based interaction, which is a method in which symbols are used to represent commands or functions. And the icons is the graphical pictures that represent specific functions within a system. We have used a little screen space and are easily understood by the users. In interface menu, we have setting, my profile, registration, convocation procedures, claim of scroll, FAQ, contact us, and scan QR code. Other than that, we have used natural language interaction. Natural language interaction is a method whereby inputs to and outputs from an application are in conventional spoken language, such as English. We have used English because of in UiTM they are using English as a second language.
Let's me continue at interface menu. First of all, setting. When students sign in and need to update mobile numbers in this app or change email, students just click setting and fill the box to update mobile numbers and to change email. After that, students need to click Save and click Yes to confirm submission. The app will process and go back to interface menus. For My Profile, if student want to see his or her profile, just click My Profile icon in this app. This app will show the student picture, name, matric number, faculty, and program. If student want to click another icon in interface menu, just click back on top the My Profile page and student will go back to interface menus. That's all from me. I will pass to my friends to continue. Thank you.
Okay, next I will proceed with the interface menu of registration. Once we click to the registration form will appear. The purpose of this form fill out is to register their personal information as graduates who will attend the convocation ceremony. As we can see, the contents in registration form are gender, campus, student's name, and so on. They have to fill all their information before submit it. Okay, for example, after we fill the form, then click submit to proceed with the next process. As we can see, there is an alert dialog pop up after we click the submit button. It shows that the registration has been submitted. Then we click to the next button. We can see that registration information will appear on the screen. Students need to download and print the registration information and bring it during registration process on the day of the event. Then we can click to the main menu button once we settle with the process. This button will link to the interface menu. Okay, next we will proceed to the convocation procedures. In these procedures, we have provided before, during, and after convocation procedure. For pre-convocation or before the convocation ceremony, there is an information about convocation fees and hotel booking or accommodation. Convocation fees explain the fees according to the level of study. For example, Doctor of Philosophy degree, the convocation fees is RM230. For Masters is RM210. For postgraduate diploma or degree or professional is RM175. And diploma or professional is RM150. It is also explained the payment method that students can pay, such as through ATM Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad and through Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad counter. Okay, then we click to the next button to see the hotel booking or accommodation. As we can see, there are several lists of accommodations for graduates or graduate guests to choose the hotel. Students can click the previous button to go back to the convocation fees or next button to proceed with the during procedures. During convocation procedures, we have provided the dress code for graduates and graduates guests. There are several dress code for male and female graduates to follow. One of it is a graduate academic robe is provided by the university. For male and a female guest is they have to wear appropriate clothes such as batik and baju kurung. And lastly, for the post-convocation or after convocation ceremony, we have provided the information on how to return the convocation gown. Students will be fined if they fail or late in returning the convocation gown. After finish with the convocation procedure, click the finish button to go back to the interface menu.
We'll move to menu at claim of scroll. First of all, the users must touch the screen at the menu of claim of scroll. And then they can find the form of claim of scroll. The user must download and print the forms. For who can attend the convocation, they can claim the scroll and academic transcript at this form and email a person in charge for the convocation. Besides that, we have stated at the alert that this form need to be printed and students have to bring it during the claim scroll process. And we have put the back button so that it can easier to the users to turn back the interface menu. Next, we move to FAQ menu. The users can touch the FAQ menu. Okay, there are several FAQ that have listed in this system. In this system, we have used drop-down menu. Drop-down menu is a menu positioning method that places the access point of the menu near the top line of the display. When accessed, menus open by dropping down onto the display. When the users want to see the answer of FAQ, they can click at the button to see the answers.
Next, I will continue explain about the Contact Us and Scan QR features. But first, let's go to the Contact Us. So, Contact Us is one of the important things that this kind of application should have. This can ease the users to reach the responsible person or office that handle that matter. So for our apps, as you can see, this screen will appear after you click on the Contact Us button. In this screen, you will see the address of headquarters of University Technology Mara and the location of it. There are also phone number, fax number and email that the students can reach and contact. These are the things that we put in the Contact Us screen for the students to see. If you are done with this screen, you can just click back and it will bring you to the main menus. Next, Scan QR code button. You can click here and the QR code screen will appear. So the function of the screen are for the students to scan it during the convocation ceremony for confirming their attendance. The student just need to scan and it is done. After the students done with the scanning, they can just click back and it goes back to the main menus. That's all for the explanation of our application's prototype. Hope you enjoy watching this video and thank you for listening. Have a nice day.